Hello, V Gates. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to revise the numbers. We learned the numbers in April, correct? So let us revise them. So, das ist Kursbuch Übung 5. Okay, so we have already learned these numbers, but let us read them once again. They are called Zahlen. Zahlen means numbers. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 1000, 2000. Correct? And the previous numbers you already know, 1 to 20. These are the further numbers that we already learned. So now, here we have an activity. Welche Zahlen hörst du? So in the audio file, the person is speaking out only few numbers. And we have to tick out or mark the numbers that he is saying out. He is not saying all the numbers. Okay? So let us listen to the audio.
Welche Zahlen hörst du?
22, 25, 28, 30, 40, 60, 90, 100, 2000.
So did you listen to the numbers? So which numbers did you hear? Welche Zahlen hörst du? So the first one was 22, 22, 25, 25, 28, 28, 30, 30, 40, 40, 60, 60, 90, 90, 100 is 100, and last one was 2000, 2000. Okay? Great. So below Übung 6, Reihenübung, fragt und antwortet. This is a chain activity. One person asks the second person answers and then asks further to the next person. And it goes on. What is the activity? We are going to ask and tell about our telephone numbers. Okay, the landline numbers. And then about our mobile number also. For that, we have to be well versed with the numbers. Okay, so practice this very well. So what is the activity? Wie ist deine Telefonnummer? What is your telephone number? Means landline number. Meine Telefonnummer ist 24 50 78. So there are actually two ways of telling any number. Mobile number or telephone number. Either you tell out each number separately from 0 to 9, or you tell in pairs of 2. So 245078 can be told in two ways. 24507 or second way is telling two-digit numbers. 24, 50, 78. Okay? So while telling, you can choose the simpler way, but if someone else is telling, you have to understand that. Okay? And then, wie ist deine Handynummer? Handynummer means mobile number. So you can tell, the Handynummer ist and then your mobile number. For example, meine Handynummer ist 95 52 51 42 89. Or I can tell it out separately. 955 25 14 289. Klar? So we have to practice this very well orally also and with our listening also. Okay. Now let us practice the numbers from Arbeitsbuch. Übung 5. Schreib die Zahlen in Buchstaben. Write the numbers in words. Buchstaben means letters. Lies die Zahlen dann laut. Read the numbers then aloud. Okay? So I hope that you do not need my assistance over here. You can refer to the pages of the textbook earlier and also what the video that we saw in April. So you can refer to that and write the numbers in words over here. Okay? Be very, very careful with the spelling. Check your spellings each time very carefully. Only some of them I have written over here to the right hand side. The last column of 22, 33, 44, out of that 66 I have written down. 66, if you see, 66. Correct? So after CH we have an S in Zex. But in 60 we do not have an S after CH. You have to pay attention to that. 66. Okay, other numbers are simple. Then below again we have some 3-digit numbers. Out of them I have written some. 1000, that one. Then 100 is also important. 100, some of them write it as HUNDRET. It is wrong. It is DERT. Okay, because DRET is like English. So you get confused and write like that. But it is HUNDERT. 100. Okay. Then I have written 100, 25. Then 350, 350. And then 466, 466. Again in Zex we have an S after CH, but in 60 we do not have an S after CH. You have to pay attention to that. So very, very carefully write the spellings and try to learn them. Okay, now we have a listening activity here. Welche Zahlen hörst du? Kreuz an. Which numbers do you listen? Okay, in the audio, only some numbers are spoken out. We have to mark the numbers which are spoken out. And how to mark them? Not a tick, but a cross. Correct? Like we discussed, the Germans mark a cross wherever they want to mark something and they do not mark a tick over there. Okay? So we'll have to cross out whichever they are speaking out. So there are 4 parts. Spiel 1, Spiel 2, Spiel 3 and Spiel 4. Means game 1, game 2, game 3 and game 4. Okay? So in game 1, the numbers that are called out, you will cross them. And similarly for game 2, 3 and 4. Klar? Jetzt hören wir. Just one more tip that before we listen to the audio. We have numbers from 1 to 49 in every game. So the numbers that are being called out may not be in the correct order. Neither in the descending order nor in the ascending order. They are random numbers. So we have to pay attention very carefully. Okay? Great. So now let us listen.
Arbeitsbuch Übung 6. Welche Zahlen hörst du?
Spiel 1 14 28 40 39 22 48
Spiel 2. 7, 25, 14, 45, 34, 43.
Spiel 3, 12, 21, 30, 13, 47, 33.
Spiel 4. 35, 29, 16, 44, 2, 20.
So, did you listen to the audio? So, in Spiel 1, which numbers did you hear? Let us correct them. I am telling in the correct order now. 14 means 14. 22, 22. 28, 28. 39, 39. 40, 40. Und 48, 48. Alles klar? Jetzt Spiel 2. 7, 14, 14, 25, 25, 34, 34, 43, 43 und 45, 45. Jetzt Spiel 3. 12, 12, 13, 13, 21, 21, 30, 30, 33, 33 und 47, 47. Jetzt Spiel 4. 2, 16, 16, 20, 20, 29, 29, 35, 35 und 44, 44. Was that all correct? If yes, gratulation. Congratulations.